As someone who always rides electric bikes, I've only owned 2 gas dirt bikes in my whole life. But in today's video, that changes. The FRP GMB 100 gas mini bike is here. Everyone says that gas is bad, no one likes gas anymore. There's so many perks to electric, but I think this mini bike is going to be the best gas mini bike available. And it comes at a cheap price ranging from $350 to $380. It is a 100cc 4-stroke engine. So I'm going to unbox it, I'm going to assemble it, ride it, share some thoughts on it. I think it's going to be great. I have a bunch of electric bike reviews, gas bike reviews, and all other kinds of bikes. So I'm going to compare this and just say my honest thoughts about it. So I'm going to take it out of the box and let's get started. Alright, now I'm going to take it out of the box. I already cut the box open for easy reveal. It actually is bigger than I thought it was going to be. I got the dark green color because I think that's a unique color. I'm going to pull it out and hopefully it's not too heavy. Let me see if I can just like... Boom! Just like that. I got it out of the box. There's still a few other things in the box, like the tire and I think the forks. So I'm going to take everything out of the box and then we'll be right back to assembling it. Alright, I got the front tire, the front fork, handlebars. It comes with a bag. I'm going to open that up. I put it on the stand. This is how it's looking so far. The seat looks huge and it is really comfortable. The bike is not that heavy. I lifted it enough to put it on the stand and take it out of the box. So I'm gonna take out the handlebars, take off all the foam, open the bags, show you guys what's in the bag, and then we'll assemble it and get to riding. After simply cutting everything off, we have tire, the front fender, the front forks, and then finally we have this bag. So I'm gonna open the bag and see what tools we get and what other stuff we get. First we get the bag. I'm gonna open this really quickly. I believe this is a headlight and then a owner's manual, so I'll put that over there. This looks like some sort of mask. I'll probably put this on in a little bit to see how that fits. And then we have a user manual that shows you how to put it together. So that's pretty useful. Let's see what else is in here. Gloves. Alright, this is really cool. I need riding gloves. I'm going to be using these when I ride this bike. When I ride this bike, I'm going to be using these. So stay tuned for that. Next, we have goggles. I'm opening these. Wait. FRP riding goggles. I need to loosen these up and I'll probably wear these because my goggles are like really old. Not really old, but like they're used. So I'm going to try and wear these because let me see if it'll... Yo, that looks cool. Alright, these might be my new main goggles. Let me see. Anything else in here? A toolkit. This is gonna come with everything you need to assemble the bike. Here are all the tools that come in the toolkit, and I'll show you how to put it together using all these tools. Once you've added oil in here and gas in here, then it should be ready to start. Alright guys, the bike is fully built, and now I'm gonna see if it will start. Alright guys, it is here, the FRP GMB 100. The moment I've been waiting for to ride it. I'm gonna go to the park, and I'm wearing their gloves they sent me. They actually fit perfectly, and I needed a pair of good sturdy riding gloves. So I'm gonna hop on it. I got the dark green color. I love it. I put it together pretty good. It was pretty easy. I did somewhat of a tutorial, but I didn't get some of the footage for some reason. I don't know what happened, but it worked good. I'm gonna start it up. First pull is impressive too. Alright, here we go. Alright, I'm going up an uphill, so it might not get full speed quickly, but I heard it can go up to like 35. So I'm gonna test that. It is really like comfortable to sit on. It's not like a dirt bike seat. It's like it's kind of like a rectangle, but it's big and it's super comfortable. It comes with a headlight too, so you can turn that on. It rides really well, and it's super light. It only has one rear brake. It doesn't have a front brake, so if you want a front brake, it does not have one. Just a rear brake, which is all you really need. The brakes work perfectly. Here, let me show you the seat. It's really squishy and nice. It has pegs also, so it's not like a pedal bike, of course. You need oil just once. You don't need to keep putting oil in it. It only needs oil once, and it needs gas, normal gas, and then it's super easy, just one pull. It has a kill switch. Oh my gosh, wait, it's so fast. This thing is like the most fun I've had on a bike in a long time. It is a little loud, but that's what I would expect from a mini bike. I don't know how fast I'm going. I like removed the throttle limiter so I can go faster. But I'm gonna probably do a speed test once I get to the park. And I have a link or something. So it'll either be on screen or in the link in the description. So make sure you check that out if you want the best mini bike on the market. It is so fun. And it's super cheap. It's only like $350. And then I think the green one's $380. But really, that is not bad at all. And I'm gonna take it through the field. I'm gonna do an off-road test to see how the wheels hold up. And we'll do a little durability test from like just riding it, see how well it holds up through all these tests. And then I'll give my final opinion on it. Alright. The brakes actually are way better than I thought for cable brakes. I didn't think they would like be good, but they actually are perfect. It's all you really need for this bike. This thing is just like, I don't even know what to say. It's so fun, it's fast, it's cheap, it's good quality, it's easy to build. Like, there's not really much else I could say. I'm used to electric, so like gas was a change, but it looks amazing, it works amazing, it's fast. So yeah, I'm gonna do a few other tests and I'll get back to you. Alright guys, now I'm gonna take it off-road through the grass and see how it performs with these big tanky tires. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna go over the hill. Whoa. It's going through pretty good. I'm gonna try and up the speed a little bit. It's very bouncy with good suspension, so that's good. Oh my gosh. Okay, it actually worked well. My friend is behind me on the off. This thing is crazy. It does off-roading really well. I'm not gonna do the sand test because I don't want to ruin the volleyball court. But it is so fast. Here we go. I'd say it goes about 30. Ah! I'm gonna take it right back through the grass again. What? Oh! Yo, this thing is like too fast for how like small it is, I guess. I mean, it's not small, it's very big. I don't know, I guess I didn't expect it to be so fast. This thing is insane. Here we go. This is crazy. Oh wait, alright, I'm gonna race it against the... Let's do a race. Line up at that tree.
You're gonna win.
Maybe. Hey, wait, let's do it on the field. Yeah. Huh? It's over here. Alright, we're gonna race on the field so we don't like get hit by cars. Here we go. Low-key, I'm gonna get banned from the park. Where is he? Oh, we're gonna race to that goal. Like once you pass the goal.
Alright, Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, we're going. I'm catching up. Oh, I dusted him. Oh, he's gone. I won. Yo.
Is there different colors?
Yeah, there's red, black, purple, and green.
Why'd you hit green?
I don't know, green's cool. Alright, the FRP GMB 100 takes the in a race. $600 versus $350. This is still faster, and it's gas.
Then you have to fill that up with gas. You don't have to fill this up with anything.
Yeah, but the range. That has like 20 miles of range.
But you can fill that up anyway.
Yeah. And you have to wait for it to charge. So this bike has a lot of advantages. Alright guys, now my friend is on the mini bike and he is going really fast. I'm gonna ask him how he likes it. Do you like it?
Yeah, I might get it.
See that, guys? He said he might get it. That's how W it is. Like, and he can get like, you literally can use my discount code or link and then like he can get it. So that's what you should do too. Look at him go. Alright guys, I am back on the FRP GMB 100 and I never got to do a top speed test, so I'm gonna do that now. The link in the description is if you want to buy this bike. It will be in the description for a discount code. I think it's 6% off, which is crazy for how cheap this bike already is, that you can get even more off. It's getting a little dark, so I'm going to turn the headlight on. Let me see. Alright, it's on. This thing is crazy. So I'm going to go over there, and we're going to do a top speed test. I unscrewed the throttle limiter, so it should be able to go as fast as possible. I really want to know what speed it'll hit. Alright, this is where I'm going to go, and I'm going to try and hit the top speed. Alright, I got the speedometer app. I'm on 7%. Alright, here we go. I don't know if it worked. Oh, it did work. Top speed, 34.4. Let me use a different app. That one didn't work very well. Here we go. Record. And you have to pay. Alright. I don't think this app's any better, but we're gonna try it. First pull. It always starts first pull for some reason. I don't know why. Like, I mean, that's a good thing. But, like, I've never had something that always starts first pull. Here we go. Max out that throttle. Alright, let's check. And I can't see. Alright. I mean, that's pretty good. 34.4 miles an hour. So 35 miles per hour out of the box stock. All you have to do is unscrew this thing to unrestrict the throttle so it can go all the way. But I don't recommend doing that because it is like not how it's not how it comes. So you're basically like changing the bike, but you can do it, and it makes it go a lot faster, which is crazy, because how fast it was stock. I think it went like 25 stock. I didn't test the speed before I did it, so I don't know, but it was fast. All you just need is a screwdriver, and this bike is like one of my favorite bikes I have, actually. It's so fast for the size, and it comes with these gloves, which I needed because I didn't have any like good riding gloves, and it came with a mask, and it came with goggles for my helmet that I put on earlier, and I'm wearing them right now. So this bike literally has so much value for the price. I don't understand how it's so cheap. And you can get it even cheaper in the link in the description. So yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Peace. Flip it back, now throw